For better performance, you need to download Java JDK. So open your favorite browser, then search Java. Download. You go to this website. Click and scroll down. Here are the three versions: Linux, Mac, Windows. I use Windows, so I click Windows. My OS system 64, so I download 64. My OS, let's check my OS. This is system type 64-bit operating system. So I download, click this link, and downloading is started. I'm waiting for download. Okay, after finish download, double click. Simple installation process. Next. You will pop up. Yes. Step. Next. Successful install. After installation complete, search bar cmd. This is command prompt. Okay. Now type Java --version. Yes. When show any version, meaning your JDK install success. So my first work is done. Then open Visual Studio. Then you go your extension download. This bar left or right side, no problem. Just click this icon extension. Then type Java. You find this option, extension pack for Java. Click this, and here is the 6 extension mean pack. Click install. Yes, installation done. Then close. Now you keyboard Ctrl+Shift+P and see the Java create project. So click this create Java project. Select this no build tool, and here is the selection pop-up, meaning your project folder. So I select desktop, then I create new folder, and I type my project name Java project, and select and click select the project location, and here I typed my project name first Java code, and here you give the name that you like, then enter and click this explorer folder, and here is the app.java, meaning this your Java default code. By any chance, if hide this explorer folder, you keyboard type Ctrl+Shift+P. Here the explorer. Expand this src, and here the app.java. This is my Java code. How to run? Click this run button, and here this hello program. You can add new code and same run this button. Here this is update. Also you can run, click right button, find this option run Java. Same, you will see this project run. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, let me know your thought in the comment below. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe.